people say that you cannot arrest a person with a warrant that you know, or some person that's a warrant, yet you cannot serve it without the fiscal warrant. So, most of the employers know it.
Diba ang sabi, kailangan ng warrant as soon as practicable. Ang hinihingi talaga ni former president. Hinihingi ng abogado sa tama.
Yes, ma'am.
Anong pinakita nyo?
We gave them the electronic copy of the warrant, and it was given to them by using PPE together with PG Patulyon. It was received by
yung warrant,
of the
ang
Agogo.
klaseng itsura ng warrant, ICC, Interpol,
It's ICC warrant.
ICC
Yes.
warrant.
That was connected to the Interpol. That was the attachment of the division.
Pero ayon sa ating batas, nakaliwanag naman na yung court o judge, kailangan Pilipino, hindi naman sakot nun yung Interpol, ICC, bakit naging warrant sa Pilipino?
I will defer the answering to that question to the DOJ, ma'am, because I was with the DOJ during the time, and it was the DOJ.
Hindi, nandun si prosecutor pa dun yun Ikaw na magpunasa ng Miranda rights, hindi man lang yung prosecutor. Sinikoberan mo na yung papel ng DOJ, kaya sumagot ka ngayon.
Ma'am, we're talking vision in the tube.
Hindi, sinabi mo kasi, di ba yung anak, sinabi mo, hindi mo kailangan ng ano.
It's a different matter, ma'am. Altogether different matter.
Bakit? Ginawa mo yan.
One warrant, but different, that question on the interview is a different situation.
So, kailan mo pinakita yung warrant? Sabi mo, electronic copy.
The first time, ma'am, it
At kanino?
was not me who showed the warrant. It was Yusek Nikiti together with PG Patulyon, together with me there in the tube of the plane. The former president is still there inside the plane. It was given to retired General Monte Agudo, who is with the party. And because during the time, he has with Aldea and the wife, and Attorney Delgra had already went back inside the plane and told us, hindi kami lalabas kung wala kayong nagpapitawanan.
Kaya nga. So, when was the accused finally shown the warrant of arrest? Di ba dapat as soon as practicable ang sinasabi? Kaya mo pinakita mismo kay former president?
I believe the electronic copy is already acceptable now in the rules of court.
Sila na, pero pinakita mo ba kay Presidente Duterte?
It was not me who they invited inside the plane. It was the PCPC through General Camara, who they invited inside the plane, showing to them, explaining to them the warrant.
Ganun ba? Nakaliwanag ba ninyo Executive Director Alcantara? Kasi parang bilis-bilis naman ninyo dun sa Estado. Ang nakita namin final warrant, 15 pages po. Ganun lang kabilis na
Tama po yung 15 pages po, pero present po namin kay President Duterte.
Nabasa niya lahat, 15 pages. Ang bilis-bilis mo naman kasi.
Hindi po niya nabasa.
Hindi niya nabasa. So,
Doon po namin present sa kanya.
kaya nga, pero ba't hindi niyo pinagbigyan na magkaya?
Yung
Karapatan talaga ng aktado ang arestado yan.
At that point in time, nung may kopya po ng warrant ay si General Alex Monte Agudo, nagbabaki din po sa telepono niya. Matagal pong mag-uo dahil
Siyempre nasa airport.
Oo,
nasa aeroplano.
Kaya nga po nag-print kami ng hard copy. So pagdating po sa 250, doon na binigay sa kanila.
Madam Chair, just on the warrant.
Yes, Senator Reta.
Just one insight on the warrant, and just to bolster my point na bakit mas maganda na or bakit essential for my global board, no? if you look at paragraph 12, before you look at it, can anyone in the room here tell me, I know the former president was accused of extrajudicial killing, of crime against humanity. Pag sinabi yung torture, di kasi bago mo patayin, di ba? Pwedeng emotional torture, pwedeng mong gulpihin torture, so included na yan. But does anyone here, can anyone tell me here that during his 6 years and before that, he was accused of ordering or himself raping people? Diba? I do remember malaking issue about his statements about a missionary who was raped. And in-explain niya yun na frustrated na rin siya. But is anyone here accusing the former president of raping or ordering the rape? Parang wala naman, di ba? Okay. If you look at, dahil walang, just for the record, Madam Chair, dahil wala naman nagtaas ng kamay or nagsabi, paragraph 12, the chamber notes that the prosecution alleges, let me say it again, the chamber notes that the prosecution alleges that some acts amounting to crimes against humanity of torture and rape under Article 7, subparagraph 1 by F, 71, G of the statute were committed as a widespread and systematic attack against the civilian population. Ulitin ko, the chamber notes that the prosecution alleges. So the prosecution